Hello everybody, welcome to Royal Kitchen. Today I will show you how to make keema balls or koftas, dry koftas. This is my mom's authentic recipe. She learned this from my grandma. For that I have taken half a kg of boneless mutton. We have to take boneless mutton for this recipe. Curry leaves, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander leaves, half a tablespoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 10 to 12 cloves. We should not take cinnamon or cardamom to this recipe. 2 tablespoons of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, salt as per your taste, 1 large onion chopped into small pieces, 1 large tomato chopped into small pieces, 5 to 6 green chillies. Firstly, we have to mince the mutton pieces in a mixer jar. This is our minced mutton. Keep it aside. Now take a mixer grinder. Take 1 tablespoon full of grated coconut. Take cumin seeds, cloves, turmeric powder, add red chilli powder, coriander powder, and salt as per your taste. And curry leaves. We have to grind it into a powder. Now we have to add tomatoes to the minced mutton, ginger garlic paste, chopped coriander leaves. Now add these dry powdered spices to the minced mutton. Again we have to grind them in a mixer jar. Like this we have to all of them. We have to grind all of them like this. Now we have to transfer the entire mutton into the bowl. To this we have to add onions. We should not grind the onions. We have just chop them and add them to the chopped and minced mutton. Otherwise they will lose their crispiness and crunchiness. Like this we have to mix all of them. Now we have to take a deep frying pan, light the gas stove, let the pan dry. Meanwhile, we will make keema balls. We have to make the keema into small balls of this size. We have to make. Now our frying pan is hot. Now add 2 tablespoons full of olive oil to it. Now add keema balls one after the other. Keep the flame in low while adding the balls into the pan, otherwise the oil will rise to our face and hands and we will get burns of them. From the outside peripheral to the center we have to add the balls, otherwise they will stick to the pan. Like this we have to adjust them. We should not close the lid. Without keeping the lid, we have to cook them for 10 minutes like this. Now see, our keema balls are hard. If we close the lid, they will break out. So we should not close the lid of the pan. So the water is coming out of the keema balls. I have not used a single drop of water here. Don't add water to this recipe. So now keep the flame in high. In the beginning we have to keep the flame in low, otherwise the keema balls will break out. After 10 minutes we have to keep the flame in high. See, the entire water is came out of the keema balls. Now we have to close the lid of the pan until the water dries up. Now we have to flip the keema balls like this. See, there is no water left in our pan. Now we have to keep the flame in low and close the lid and cook for some time. Now take another pan, add 1 tablespoonful of olive oil to the pan. Add green chilies to the pan. Now we have to just salt the green chilies. To this we have to add curry leaves and cumin seeds. We have to mix all of them. To this we have to add the red chilli powder. Now stop the flame of the gas stove. Now see whether our keema balls are cooked well or not. See, there is no water left in the pan and the balls are cooked well. See, they are cooked well, roasted well. Now we have to transfer the keema balls to the other pan. On the gas stove. Now gently mix all of them. We have to roast them for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we have to transfer the switch off the gas stove and transfer the entire keema balls into a serving plate. Now our keema balls are ready to eat. Now garnish it with some coriander leaves. Now our authentic keema balls recipe is ready to eat. I hope all of you would like my recipe. Thank you for watching my channel. I will be back to you after one more new recipe. Please do subscribe my channel and do like my recipes. Thank you.